Right, so as you saw from the crash landing there, so damaged on the nose. So excuse me coughing and spluttering. It's obviously broke there before, looking at that one, and it's going to be a weak spot. Now I could have a go at this with Gorilla Glue, and it would just break somewhere else, because the weakest part would be the foam part rather than the Gorilla Glue. So, extra strong super glue, PoundLand, there's about 6 or 8 of them for £1. Some ZAP Kicker C.A accelerator. So long as it's EPP foam, you're fine. So I'm gonna put a few dabs around here. Then we're going to fasten that together good and neat, he says. And this is a hard part, this is when you could do with an extra pair of hands. And then we're going to get the accelerator. And I don't know whether you can see that, but it's gone yellow. You generally get a reaction straight away. I'm going to add a little bit more there. And I hope this is focusing okay. And that side done. Now, because this stuff's nice and runny, a lot plenty in. Push down on that, and you can see just don't get that on your fingers and then get accelerator on you, because it does burn. Now I've actually got some ZAP glue as well, and I generally save that for the save that for the better planes. As you can see, I've got 1 of 3 up there. My battered old Bixler, my new Bixler, Red Dragon, my Raptor with the Phoenix wings, my AXN. I think I shall get that out next. And there we go. It's all done. Yep. That'll do. Go away till next time. Pizza delivery boys here.